Lego just cast Tom Holland in their latest short film called Never Stop Playing. That's right, one of the Hollywood's biggest stars teamed up with the plastic brick toy company.
Stop playing.
But this plastic toy company actually worth more than Range Rover, St. Laurent, and even KFC. Lego worth nearly $8 billion, making it the most valuable toy brand in the world. But the same company lost nearly $1 million per day for a straight 1 year. But here's the twist. At first, Lego wasn't even a toy company. And everything about Lego is hidden inside 3 clues: a duck, fire, and a brick. The year is 1932. The Great Depression is hitting Europe hard. In Billund, Denmark, a carpenter named Ole Kirk is on the edge of bankruptcy. He had built houses, furniture, but now no one could even afford luxuries like cabinets or ladders. His business collapsing, Ole looked at the scraps of wood in his shop and made a desperate decision. He started carving toys. One of them became legendary, a little toy duck. That duck was more than a toy. It was survival. It kept Ole's workshop alive, and it became the first symbol of Lego's belief. Children must have a chance to play, even in the darkest times. The Lego kicked off well. They started building reputations as well, but they had no idea that it is going to struck by a tragedy real soon. In 1942, Ole's workshop caught on fire, reducing everything to ashes. Most people would have quit there, but Ole, he rebuilt the whole workshop brick by brick, quite literally. And just when it seemed he had recovered, another disaster struck again. In 1960, another fire destroyed the company's entire stock of wooden toys. This time, the family made a radical decision. They abandoned wood forever and committed to plastic. It was risky back then. People thought plastic toys were cheap junk. But Ole saw something that no one else could. The gamble began earlier in 1947 when Ole had bought one of Denmark's very first plastic modeling machine. By 1949, Lego introduced their first plastic toy set. The idea was exciting, but the execution, not so much. The bricks weren't sticking together well, and the parents, not so impressed. In 1958, Ole's grandson made a small but genius innovation. He made this little tube inside the bricks. Suddenly the bricks locked together tightly, yet it could still be pulled apart like this. The patent filed in 1958 is the same design used in every Lego brick today. A design so perfect that a Lego brick from 1958 still clicks with the one made today. By the late 1990s, Lego reached the very peak of its success. And by the glow of victory, Lego forgot one simple truth: that even giants can stumble. At its peak, Lego made a dangerous mistake. Well, a number of mistakes. Lego tried to become a lifestyle brand. Theme parks, clothing brands, watches, and even jewelries. They spreaded themselves too thin, pouring money into things that they have very little idea about. And inside the toy sets, another problem was brewing. Designers created overcomplicated kits with hundreds of pieces that didn't work well with older bricks. What was once simple and fun felt like overcomplicated science project. Even adults struggled to build them. Then came the final blow: the rise of video games. By the early 2000s, kids were shifting to PlayStation and Xbox, and Lego suddenly looked old-fashioned. By 2003, Lego was bleeding cash, losing $300 million a year, almost $1 million every single day. Even experts predicted that Lego is gone forever. Or is it? In 2004, Lego's own CEO, the grandson of Ole Kirk, stepped down from his position, admitting Lego has lost its way. A new leader, Jørgen Vig Knudstrup, took charge. He wasn't a toy maker, but a good businessman. he made some brutal choices that saved the company from the brink of collapse. He sold off the struggling theme parks. He killed side projects that drained money. And he brought back Lego to its root, the brick system. But Knudstorp also embraced the modern world instead of fighting it. He partnered with Hollywood, launching Lego Star Wars and Harry Potter. He leaned into video games with Lego Star Wars, becoming a massive hit in 2005. The result? Within just 2 years, Lego brought itself from the brink of bankruptcy to a profitable company, and from there, it climbed higher than ever before. But Lego isn't the only empire who rose from a disaster. Another billion-dollar company began after its founder lost everything in a single night. You can check that video somewhere over here, and please subscribe.